26 English alphabet letters. 5 vowels. 21 consonants. 5 vowels and 21 consonants. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my video. Bye bye.